Welcome to our new and exciting campaign to create a stunning 24-hour automatic timepiece, made in part from one of the most iconic aircraft ever to be made, namely the supersonic Concorde. But it's not just any old Concorde, rather Concorde GAX-DN, known as Concorde 101, the fastest Concorde ever, which holds the world speed record for a commercial flight. So, in collaboration with the Duxford Aviation Museum, based in the UK, we are proud to present the all-new Strom's GAX-DN automatic 24-hour timepiece. Each timepiece has a dial tag made from material taken from this 50-year-old history-making Concorde. The material is taken from the underwing air intake unit, which houses the Rolls-Royce engines. So now you can wear this little piece of history on your wrist with the new Strom's GAX-DN timepiece, which uses some top specs usually found on more high-end watches. So please support our campaign and grab yourself not only a great-looking limited edition timepiece, but a unique piece of an iconic legend.